be under you. Oh! Got him! No way! No way, Joey, get him up! Guys, there's a bunch of babies trapped in here. They must have walked over this grid. Here. Look at this. Look, look, look. Oh, it's biting it. No, guys, that's not one of the ducklings. That's a lure. Oh my God.
Let's catch 'em all with Catch 'em All Fishing with Zach Ketchum.
Hey guys, so it's about that time. I know you've been waiting for this duck, but here are the real things. Please don't get too pissed. Under there, just hatching right now, are the baby ducks. You can hear them chirping, they're all running away. As you can see, this is a pretty close comparison. Whoa! As you can see, there's a little food bowl here for her. You will have plenty of babies to feed all the bass in my lake. This is the lure. Treble hooks on top, treble hook on the bottom. These legs make a lot of disturbance in the water. Yeah, so the suicide duck is live in action. Huh. Interesting. So, it did get the attention of that one fish right there. Oh my God. Are you guys looking at this? There's another snakehead now. Came out of nowhere to chase this freaking duck. Oh! No! Oh my God! The thing about snakeheads, they have small mouths. This is obviously a lure not designed for a small mouth. I mean, a smallmouth fish. Oh! Dude, look at this kitten! Look at this freaking... Hey! Hey! What the hell? Did you see that thing?
Came out of nowhere.
Oh. Okay, there's a snakehead, guys. Crap. Oops. Oh, he missed. He missed. Ah! See, with freaking snakeheads, it's really not good to go after them with hard lures. It's better to have that scent, like I showed you guys. Let them eat, and then that'll be that. But they're hitting this thing. They're definitely hitting it. Alright guys, I just saw a snakehead. Just saw one. Oh, freaking A! Oh, I'm so sick and tired of this little freaking duck already. That's the third one I've missed. I'm gonna cast it out again because I still see the snake. I don't think he saw me. Come on. Right on his head. Come on. Whack it. Oh my God! Ugh. Guys, there's a bunch of babies trapped in here. They must have walked over this grid with the mom.
That's a lot.
Yeah, there's a lot of them in there too. We gotta figure that out.
There's like 10.
I told you, dude.
There's 10. They're all under.
I know.
They're all under.
I don't know what we're gonna do because there's like a hole they can run away from us. Oh! There's a snakehead following it. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh my God. He's right there. Pop it. Hit it. I know. We don't move, Joey. You might still pop it.
He's still under. He's right under. Go, 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 go.
Come on. Come on, don't look at me. Look at the lure. Oh! He's still looking at it. Don't move. Oh my God. Do something, go ahead. Go do something. Go do something. Oh no. Alright, I got the lure out there. I'm gonna cast again, see if I can get him. He's right here. I don't want him to see me moving. That's a nice sized fish, dude. No. We took off this like mallard looking duck and we're using this exotic duckling. It looks more like the ducklings that we have down here in South Florida, so we're gonna see if this does the trick after that one didn't even commit. Couple schooling bass. Well, that was kind of cool. The duck lure does catch fish. Sorry that I kind of just buried you in dirt, little guy. Come here. Come here. Ah. Wow. I'm not gonna lie. I was starting to lose hope in the hookup ratio from this duck lure. This was pretty cool. Not bad. Not bad with the duck. The legend of the duck. I thought it was a myth. I guess not. Yeah, that was pretty cool, guys. I can't lie. I've been missing snakeheads left and right, but this is a bass slash pike slash musky lure, so it's not designed for snakeheads. And that was the first bass hit I've gotten, and it wrecked it. So hey, it's doing its job, right? Not bad. See a snakehead over there. Come on, baby. Oh, missed him. Dang it. This is the snakehead missing lure. Ugh. What? What? Someone killed one? Ow, I just stabbed myself. Ow. Aw, dude. Why? How are you gonna kill something and not eat it? That's so freaking frigged up. Well, that's a crappy day. Someone's been fishing here and someone has been killing snakeheads. Hey guys, don't kill stuff that you're not gonna eat. That's not cool. This lure is top water, so I can't get my lure down there to piss it off. Sucks. I wonder if I could just stick it at the top of my pole.
Oh, that's gonna be nuts.
It's right here. Look at this. Look, look, look. Oh, it's biting it. Oh, it's whacking it, dude. Yeah, he's still right here. He's still right here. Oh, he bit my pole.
He just cooked himself. There you go.
Oh. All right, Joey, go ahead. Nice cast, bro. Let's see. Come on. You have a baby under you. Oh! Got him! No way! No way, Joey, get him up! No way! You got him! On the duck! Yes! 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 How could this day get any better? Guys, our friend Franklin just called us. We just came from... Our friend Franklin just found another isopod. We just got lunch. We let all of our snakeheads just take a rest. Wait, I think I'm gonna put the isopod video up before this video, actually, but just know that it happened in the middle of this video. On the duck! Oh my gosh, look at this thing.
Look at that hook set.
Oh
He's
my
not going
gosh,
anywhere.
he's not going anywhere. How sick. I can't believe we freaking got one. Dude, way to go. That thing smashed its face on that hook set, dude. On the duck, no freaking way.
He hit it hard too. He's not going anywhere, dude.
Yeah, trying to see if I can get a nice pick out of it. Oh, the leg. Dude, it tore up the leg.
It broke it, huh?
It must have whacked the crap out of it, honestly. Dude, he's hooked. Oh,
Yeah,
he's
double
hooked
hooked.
everywhere.
Put it the opposite way.
I'm just afraid he's gonna flip.
Nah, he ain't gonna do anything.
Yeah, he's gonna stab the crap out of me. I'm gonna use the pliers. On the duck. I can't even believe it.
That was he crushed it.
He crushed it.
He crushed it. Did you get that?
Yeah, I got the whole thing.
He crushed
That was
it.
awesome, dude. Alright guys, it took a miracle, but we finally got the hooks out. He has a little jaw problem, but he'll survive. You want to release him, bro? Go ahead. You're a fish. Dude, sick. Wow. He wants to come home.
Turn that way. Whoa. Okay, I got it.
Hiding right there. They all do the same thing. Dude, on the duck, you're a certified legend, Joey Slam. Certified legend. Alright guys, so we've proven that the duck does catch fish. It's a topwater lure. It's not that hard, but man, those hooks make it super hard to catch snakeheads. We had so many snakeheads. We had so many snakehead bites that we missed. It's not a snakehead lure. Pike, bass, yeah, instant. The only bass I even cast to immediately got hooked up. So it's a great bass lure. Pike, I'm sure. Everything with a larger mouth. Snakeheads have really small mouths, and I've already taught you guys how to fish for those. Scented, soft plastics, let them eat. Hard plastics, not the best for the snakes. So anyway, appreciate you guys tuning in. We still had a really great episode, even with all the missed fish. It was like crazy, all this crazy stuff happening. So anyway, catch y'all next time. Catch them all. Catch them all. Catch them all fishing. YouTube and Instagram. You like this song, right? That like and comment.